Buffalo. We now want to take a closer look at the storm from someone who is in the middle of it.
From our partners at the Weather Channel, here's meteorologist Jim Cantori. He continues our team coverage in Hamburg, New York.
To put the snow. I mean, it's up to the top.
For life-threatening conditions, lake effect snow pummeling the area.
Trees are popping and snapping.
There's just nowhere to put the snow. It's up to the top. Oh no, it's up to the top of that tree. It's I don't know. I never seen anything this bad. There's nowhere to. I was able to get to my flute. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you for the prayers. The semi trucks and traffic is all they're stranded. If there was a way I could get through that to take them something to drink or eat, I would. But it's so dense and heavy, and it's up to my neck, so I can't even get to them, and they're only a couple of 100 yards away. This is, we're trapped in this trailer park. I mean, the front lot, something happened that none of the workers were able to get out to plow the lot, so it's the whole parking lot is 4 or 5 feet deep, and people are stranded in their homes. There's someone going car to car now, walking somehow through it. It's my neighbor's car. That little lump. Wow. They managed to come in and make one little spot to drive through. This little town. Back out here trying to keep my stairs clear so I could get up on that roof. But if you can see, this is the porch railing, and the snow is all the way up past the porch, and it's so heavy and dense. There's absolutely nowhere to put any more snow. The apple tree is literally at the top of the trunk, to give you an idea of how deep this is. There's my windows. And that's how close that is to my window, which is about 4 feet from the ground. 2 more feet come. I don't know where I'll put it.